Imagine waking up in 2025 where AI isn't just a tool but a major part of daily life, reshaping our work, entertainment, health, and even creativity. Today, we're diving into the top AI news of 2025 and what these breakthroughs mean for you. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the update. AI technology is evolving fast, and 2025 has brought some major advancements that are about to change everything. Today, I'm breaking down the biggest AI news you need to know and how these developments could impact your life and work. Ready to see what the future holds? Let's jump in. Top AI news and trends for 2025. 1. AI-powered healthcare. AI in healthcare is making huge strides this year. Tools like Google Health AI and DeepMind are helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier, even predicting heart attacks and strokes before symptoms appear. This means faster, more accurate treatments, and better health outcomes for us all. 2. Next generative AI models. Remember ChatGPT? Well, in 2025, it's not just about answering questions anymore. New generative AI models are now assisting writers, marketers, and designers by brainstorming ideas, drafting content, and even creating art that rivals human creativity. 3. AI in education. AI has become the new virtual tutor. Platforms like Squirrel AI and Tutor AI are personalizing lessons for students, giving real-time feedback, and adapting content based on each student's pace and learning style. It's like having a 24/7 tutor that's always ready to help. 4. Autonomous delivery and transportation. Amazon, Tesla, and other major players are taking autonomous vehicles and drones to a whole new level. By 2025, many cities will see delivery drones and self-driving delivery vans dropping off packages right to your door. It's faster, more efficient, and could even reduce traffic. 5. AI for cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a big focus this year, with new AI systems detecting cyber threats in real time. Companies like Darktrace and CrowdStrike are using AI to spot unusual activity and stop attacks before they happen, keeping personal and corporate data safer. 6. AI-powered sustainable energy. To combat climate change, AI is helping manage energy use more efficiently. Companies like Google DeepMind are optimizing energy grids, reducing power waste, and predicting energy demands. This could mean lower bills and a cleaner environment. These AI advancements are already changing the way we live, work, and stay safe. Which of these news updates surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the latest tech and AI news.